Many people are just taught to believe that, hey, there's checks and balances in place. That means that if professionals come in, everything's going to be safe and approved, and I don't need to worry about it. Just let them do their thing. And the conversation of understanding of just because this is approved to kill mold, which is exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, they sprayed it into the HVAC, but that product actually has not been approved for humans to breathe at a certain chemical count for an extended period of time. But that piece of information gets left out of the conversation. And, people are just told, hey, don't go home for 2 hours. But that's if the chemical load of that spray actually reduced down to the level that is approved for someone to be back in there and breathing it. And many people are unaware that there's not that great of checks and balances with, yeah, this is approved for the health of your home, but this is not approved for the health of the body. And there's actually a lot of rules and regulations that get pushed to the wayside or just fall into a gray area because it's actually quite difficult to manage them all and make them cross work.
Right. And it's really important, too, that people understand that a lot of that testing is done on efficacy and dwell time and not on safety of exposure.
It is a hard one for a lot of people to grasp because even like things that are approved for you to consume and eat or put on your body, the studies that get them approved, they're being approved for a short period of time with a small amount. They're not being done with studies that say if you apply this product to your body or spray it into the air or use it day in and day out for 365 days, what happens then? And
Exactly.
Those are the types of studies that do not exist on a lot of these problematic products.
Exactly. And I mean, I would also just as a little tip to anyone out there listening and, when you're even at your grocery store looking for cleaning products or even with our product, I mean, if you buy it or whatever, just take like a tissue and saturate that tissue and touch it to your forearm, touch it to wave it kind of around in front of your face, so you get a really good whiff of it and kind of see what your body thinks of it before you go using it on every surface in your home and stuff, because I mean, your body is incredibly smart and can tell you a lot if you just listen to it. So
it's a good test to just get that first check to see what your response is.